Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download OBS Studio and install on your Windows machine. OBS is an open source software that can be used to record videos and live stream on your social media platform. So to start, you click any browser of your choice. On the address bar, you type download OBS. Then you click download OBS to go to their website to download the setup of the OBS that can be used to install on your Windows machine. Here you can download the version of your choice. Here I will download Windows version. You click download and install. Now we are downloading OBS setup. Here is the setup that you are downloading. With the OBS software, it's an open source software you can use to stream live on your social media platform. You can use to stream on YouTube, Facebook, and etc. Now we are downloading OBS software. After downloading it, you can install on your Windows machine. Now it's downloading. We have downloaded the OBS Studio. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update.